Hi friends, this is Devansh. And if in your system microphone is not working, then in this video I am going to tell you the methods which can help you to fix this error. So if you find this video useful, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Firstly, go to the settings. And in settings, go to system. In system, you will find the option of sound. Click on that. And in sound section, go to the input and input, choose microphone and then click on troubleshoot. So it will start troubleshooting the audio and wait till it is detecting the problem. While detecting the problem, it might ask for the different kind of devices. So choose the device as microphone which has Realtek audio and click on next. So it will start detecting the problem in this device particularly. So for my case, I didn't get any issue. But if you find any problem here, just try to resolve that issue and then check that microphone is working or not. Now the second method is again go to the settings and this time go to privacy. In the privacy setting, search for the microphone and in app permission, check that microphone access for this device should be on. Also, you have to make sure that applications are able to access your microphone. Here, later on there is a list of applications. For that you can see on and off slider. It means that if it is on, then application is using the microphone, and if it is off, then application is not using the microphone. So if your application is not able to access the microphone, check here that it is on or not, and if it is off, make it on and then go and check you are able to use microphone or not. So last method is try to update the driver. To update the driver, in the search option, search device manager and open the device manager. In the device manager, go to audio input and outputs and then go to microphone. Right click on it and search for update driver. Then give permission to search automatically from online. So it will start searching for the online drivers. Online update is available for the drivers or not. Wait till it is searching. For my case, it is already the best driver installed. But if any updation is pending in your system, it will update and install that. Now, if it doesn't work, then again come here and try to install the driver. Choose uninstall and click on uninstall to install the driver, and then go into the start option, go to power and click on restart to restart your system. Once you restart your system, it will again install the drivers in the system and then again try to check are you able to use the microphone or not. So these are the methods which can help you to fix the error, microphone error. So if you find this video useful, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.